Hello again. I'm going to make a meatloaf, but I'm going to finish my chicken wings for you. After I make the meatloaf, I want them a few more minutes. 1.5 pounds of ground beef. That's what's going in. You guys have watched this so many times. It's got to be boring. I'm cutting up an onion. You just watched me do it for the chicken meatballs, which are in the oven. Meatloaf, Dave loves it if I make it with no peppers, no cheese. But if you guys like peppers and cheese, you could do this exact same recipe and put diced peppers and cheese right in the meatloaf, and it is so good. So good. But I have to make, when I make meals that we are both eating, I make it the way we both can eat it. I'm not picky as he is, so I try to put in what I like into the meatloaf, but I have to put in what he likes or he won't eat it at all. Yeah, it's a green egg, but I had to bust into Melanie's eggs, which I like to eat as my breakfast eggs. There's just no comparison. I'm just beating it up a little bit. Woo, this onion's strong. So I'm putting the whole onion into my meatloaf. And it's basically what you just watched, only instead of the oats this time I am going to put breadcrumbs, which I didn't get out, so I will get those out. I'm going to salt and pepper the meat because it's the only time that I do it. When it's, oh my God, my onion. Now, I'm not going to measure, but I try to put a 1/4 cup of ketchup into my mixture. It's kind of the same concept as when I just put the sauce in the mixture, and then about 4 dashes of Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to put a little garlic powder, only because I have it out. And there is one thing I do put in mine that is not out. It is seasoned salt. I like a little bit, but not the pouring side. My nose is running from this onion. I'm sorry, guys. It's a strong one. The wings are done. When I get done mixing this up, and I'm going to get my breadcrumbs out, which I should have already had out. This is just 4C breadcrumbs, and I'm putting in 1/4 cup. That's the one thing I got Dave to eat meatloaf when we met, but he does not like mealy anything. Okay, there's no other way, guys. I'm going in. They're clean as can be because I've been doing dishes between everything I'm making. So that was 1.5 pounds of, usually I do it with 1 pound, but this is about 1.5 pounds. With a whole onion, 1/4 cup of ketchup, bunch of dashes of Worcestershire to your liking, salt, pepper, garlic powder, seasoned salt. Did I say the diced onion? Obviously no cheese. It's a pretty plain, ordinary recipe for meatloaf. And I put it not in a loaf pan this time. I'm going to put it in a square pan. And I like it in the square roasting pans because it cooks more evenly, and we just cut them on a square, like a square patty would be on your plate. So I pat it down, and I don't have to put an onion on top because I put the whole onion in. And then I am going to squirt more ketchup. That's just how we roll. Cover it with tin foil and bake it. How do you make yours? I'm telling you guys, put peppers and cheese in this and you got yourself the cat's meow. That's how I like it, but I don't want to make 2 meatloafs today. So I made one with ketchup on top. You could do ketchup, mustard, brown sugar. I told you, today's my day for simple. My hands are filthy. I don't want to touch my foil yet. Hang on, I'll be back. Okay, cleaned up a little, cleaned up my hands. I'm going to cover this meatloaf, put it in the oven. And we've got the meatballs in the oven, the potatoes in the oven, the banana bread in the oven, and now in goes the meatloaf. Oh, my oven and my house smells delish. Now, here they are. We have chicken wings, crispy. I have to have this. So, for the Mayfield Grill honey hot sauce, you got to buy it at Mayfield Grill in Mayfield. Heather makes this. This was Kevin Chafee, was a dreamboat, great guy. Him and his wife Tracy owned it till he passed away, and I guess they carried on the recipe. This is all you do: crisp them up, toss them up, eat them up. Mayfield Grill's honey hots. So that will go in a container. I'm not ready to eat that. I haven't even had breakfast. I'm gonna have a protein shake. I'm about to make overnight oats. Do you want to see it? Because I've made them before. I'm going to make my recipe, not Grace's recipe. I like mine better. That's just how it goes. I try everything, and when I make something better, I make it the way I like it. That's what's good about having your own kitchen. You get to be the controller of the ingredients. Meatloaf's in the oven. Chicken wings are done. Chicken meatballs are done. Banana bread is in there cooking. Baked potatoes are cooking. Overnight oats are coming. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.